If you're on a healing path but feel like something's missing, if you've done mindset work, therapy, or meditation, and yet your body still feels tense or peace still feels far away, you're not alone. Most of us were never taught the subtle key to healing that makes all the difference. I'm Anne, and I help emotionally aware, spiritually curious people release what they didn't know they were still carrying through somatic healing, nervous system regulation, and a spiritual path that honors every emotion. This isn't just theory. I've lived it. Over time, my awareness deepened. I learned to feel my emotions, then the physical sensations beneath them, and then after months of Kundalini energy arising inside my body itself, what some call an open inner eye or open third eye. That path opened into a very different way of seeing, what many might describe as a spiritual awakening, although those aren't necessarily the words that I would use. My own healing became so deep and embodied that it led to realignment of my skull bones. I grew 3/4 of an inch in midlife, not because I stretched, but because I released. But the most important part, the inner peace that followed, a peace I didn't know was possible. If you're done with surface solutions, I invite you to stay, but be warned, we go deep here. Subscribe, explore the videos, contact me, and most of all, trust your own timing. The journey to awakening isn't linear, but it's real and it's worth it. I'm walking it with you. Welcome.